Welcome to this tutorial on CURCY. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of enabling multi-currency at checkout, ensuring seamless transactions for your WooCommerce store. First things first, enable this option to allow customers to pay in different currencies. Once you've enabled multi-currency, your customers will be able to select their desired currency directly at the checkout. Then, we'll configure this checkout currency table. Here you can reselect a default currency for checkout. It doesn't have to be the site's default currency. It's just to keep at least one currency available at checkout, so this one default currency at checkout can't be set as no in this column, and then assign the payment method for each currency here. Please don't forget to check this important note. For demonstrating purpose, I'll set up this way. Now we'll check the result. CURCY also allows you to set specific currencies for different payment methods. This flexibility ensures that your customers can pay using their preferred currency, no matter which payment gateway they choose. Normally this will happen on the order received page after customer clicks the place order button. But if you enable this option, currency will be changed right on the checkout page before placing order. And with this option, it'll even change without reloading the page, keeping the customers filled in billing, shipping info, Furthermore, the plugin enables dynamic currency switching based on the customer's billing shipping country. The Sync Checkout Currency feature keeps the currency synchronized for the customer's entire session. If disabled, the currency will revert to the previous one before being changed at checkout due to the customer's country. Don't forget to enable multi-currency on the cart page as well. This helps switch the customer's current currency to their checkout currency. Let's try this case. With CURCY, you can display multiple currencies on cart and checkout pages if the customer's selected currency and their checkout currency are different. For instance, with this current setup, it'll look like this. Try another scenario. Enable all currencies for checkout and change currency follow, then switch country on the checkout page. As a bonus, CURCY's checkout settings can be complex, so I'll drop a few notes to avoid conflicts in settings for your reference. Before that, we have two small tips for a smooth checkout process. If you use Change Currency Follow, you can set up default checkout form to be shipping or billing in WooCommerce settings. you can use checkout currency and change currency follow at the same time. The workflow would be changing currency based on settings, then payment method will be changed accordingly, based on the current checkout currency. But it's not possible if you enable these two options. It'll cause conflict at checkout. However, it's alright if you disable them, because the currency will be validated again after placing order. You can even use 3 features simultaneously. It'll make the currency change first by the country, then the payment method change by the new currency. Lastly, it validates the currency again after placing an order by customer's payment method. Also, an important note, there should not be any currency switcher on checkout page if you use change currency follow or the option. Without reload checkout page of currency by payment method, the page will keep loading forever, since it can't find the currency to use if customer switcher currency themselves.